Hello and welcome to my computer science final project. This is myfitnessbuddy.com and it has some useful features for health conscious and calorie conscious individuals. So there's a brief description, a selection of what we can do, and let's get right into it. First calculator calculates calories you spend every day just pretty much living your life. And I'd imagine someone who's into sports would be using this, so I'm going to use Vince Wilfork's figures for pretty much the entirety of this demonstration. So you fill out all the forms and activity level, and it presents you with calories you spend every day pretty much just living. Also, if you don't fill it out, you get an error message, and that's pretty standard with all of the other calculators as well. Moving on to the next one, let's figure out how many calories Vince spends. Could do football, but more interestingly, let's do cheerleading. Although he has over 50 other activities to choose from. And let's say he does this for 45 minutes. So someone of Vince's stature would burn almost 330 calories from cheerleading for 45 minutes. And this is a weight change calculator. You can do losing weight, you can gain weight. But let's say that Vince is feeling small. He wants to go up to a lean 340. He's got to do it quick. He's got 2 months for this. The season's coming up. So Vince needs to eat almost 900 calories more than that previously calculated TDEE value to hit his goal weight in time. And all this is kind of complicated to keep track of. So luckily there is a nutrition log feature. The password doesn't work. It is password encoded, but I wasn't able to sort that out with hashing. I'm going to log into an account I know that exists just to show you the base presentation and what we can do. Cookies aren't enabled, so just refreshing it does end the session, unfortunately. But let's create an account for Vince. Let's do Wilfork1 random password 3574 and his current weight with his activity level. So account created, and now we can log right in. Wilfork1. And there we go. Awesome. So currently we're on his nutrition log and we don't have any entries. So we have a form here to create one. Let's say yesterday he had 6,500 calories and he exercised for about an hour. So it was like 950. So we create the entry, and then using his previously calculated TDEE and all of these inputs, we're able to calculate the net calories and then store that as well. There's also functionality to update each entry, and we can change it to as we see fit. Say he actually ate an additional cookie at night or something, so we're up to 7,000. We complete that update, and then the user gets a message and we can see it's updated. Additionally, we can delete that entry and it goes back to 0. And that is the extent of my project. Thank you for listening.